need to have some challenge, and you need to use your knowledge and experience to figure out that challenge, and you need to stay focused while you're in that challenge. If your phone's going off, if coworkers are pulling you this way and that way, you're not going to get into flow state. It takes about 15 to 20 minutes to get back into flow state once you get pulled from it, if you can even get back into it. So this video is not about flow state, but it's just a component of it. And if you are truly committing yourself to the cannabis industry, to the licensed cannabis industry, whether that be through a brand or operating a licensed facility, the concept still applies. Nothing's going to come for easy. Nothing's going to be a cakewalk. Nothing's going to get you rich for low effort. And if anything, to become rich and successful in the cannabis industry, it's going to require more effort than most normal industries. And not only effort, but an ability to manage stress, ability to problem solve, ability to handle massive challenges and setbacks unexpectedly too. So these are just a few things of which you'd be up against, and truly in my opinion, there's only one way to really get through that, and that's ultimately with your mindset. And you need to set the stage. You need to set what it is your mind's focusing on and targeting, and come up with a plan of action to get there. And truly that's how we manifest things into reality. So everything starts with a thought, everything. And that's the thought for this video. So thanks again for watching. Check out my website, highchris.com. There's more great content on there. We're rolling out a coaching course to teach everybody how to build, launch, and grow your licensed cannabis brand without having to own the license. So check that out. Other than that, follow my Instagram, highchris.420. Thanks again for watching.